Hello, my name is George Escola, and I help people retire in style. We certainly live in interesting times, and I hope you're doing well and surviving through all the current crises. But what do you do if you've lost your job? Of course, you can go on unemployment if you're eligible for that. You can get some other kind of assistance. But in the long run, you don't want to be dependent on the government or anybody else, so what are you going to do? I've recently read some ideas. One of them comes from Sir Francis Bacon back in around 1600. He said, "A wise person will make more opportunities than he finds." And then another day I was listening to Bob Proctor, and he was talking about a guy back in the 1930s during the Depression, a time when businesses were posting in their window, "No help wanted." They had no way to pay their employees, and they didn't want anyone bothering them. But there was one guy who took that all in and went home and devised a way to make himself a job. And here's how he did that. He found an industry that he was interested in, and he researched that industry and learned everything he could about that industry. Then he found a business in town that was in that industry, and he researched and found everything he could find about that business. And then he wrote a letter to the president of the company, and he said, "Dear President, I have some ideas that can add to your bottom line, and if you're interested, I would be willing to discuss them with you." And he signed his name and sent it off. This was a day of physical mail, and so a few days later he got a phone call from the president, and he said, "I'd like to hear your ideas. When can we meet?" And the guy said, "Well, how about tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock? Are you available then?" And he said, "Yes, I'm available." So he went in and was escorted to the president's office by his secretary, and they sat and discussed some ideas, and guess what? The president hired him on the spot. He became the assistant to the president, and they started working on these ideas, and they turned that company around, and they got it profitable, and they were able to hire more people and save the business. So I hope this idea is something that you can use. Certainly something worth thinking about. And in the meantime, I'm going to post a link below to a business that I'm in that is providing extra income for me. And take a look at that and see if it's something that might help you as you're deciding what to do next. Take care. Thanks for watching the video. I will post more videos soon, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye now.